Hello everyone. Yes. All right, I have some more of these. This is the second time I'm doing this. So I guess this is ball number 3 and 4. I already opened 2 more in a previous video. I'll put a link up there in the card thingy or down below. Fingers crossed this is neither one of these are going to be duplicates. So that's the only thing with these. You got to worry about that. But I'm going to get all this plastic off and come right back and we will see what's inside. All right, I'm back. Got all the plastic off. Let's go. All right, where's the seam? If anybody's doing anything with these plastic thingies, I'm saving them right now, but they might be going in the recycling bin soon because I have a lot of stuff around here. But let me know if you have some ideas for recycling these things in crafty ways. All right, so here's a little menu thing. This feels like the purse. Yeah, this feels like the accessories. I will say I love the purses, but I actually really like the accessories. I've already used a few in some little photo shoots I've done, and they've actually been really fun to include. Here's that sticker. Okay, I still haven't gotten that purse, so why are you giving me that sticker? And oh, okay, so here's a pair of sunglasses. I got another pair of these in one of the other ones, but I do really like these sunglasses. They are superior to the ones you typically get for Barbie because you can actually bend the what do you call it? Whatever this part is here on the frame, you can actually bend it. So that's pretty cool. And then we got one of these makeup brushes. I didn't get one of these before. This is a real little brush. And then this is, I don't know, maybe nail polish? Is this supposed to be nail polish? It doesn't open, but to me, maybe that looks like little miniature nail polish. Cute. Very, very cute. All right. Here we go. How pretty is this? It's not a duplicate, and I like it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, this is cute. They can wear it like this. They can wear it like that. So you can do like crossbody. You put this over their arm, over their shoulder. This, look at that. This is nice. Very nice. All right. How does this open? Okay, it just opens like that. It's a little bit of tissue that they put inside. I mean, to me, that shows there's some attention to detail with these that I am very impressed with. And is there a magnet? There's a magnet. Check it out. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Dang it. I told myself I wasn't going to get any. Like, these were the last 2 I was going to get. I really, really like these. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, Tammy. Shut up and open the other one. Right, guys? Okay. So, all right, that's a huge thumbs up. Great pictures for that. That's going to be great for pictures. Okay, really, really like that. All right, so that's number 1. All right, here's opening up the second one. Little mini thingy. It feels like the purse. These are the accessories. All right, we got the sticker. Yeah, so it's interesting. The stickers I got both of these stickers before. I guess these must be the purses that everybody wants. Okay, they just give you the stickers. Oh, looks like another pair of sunglasses. All my Barbies are going to have some nice Ray-Ban sunglasses. I wonder if these fit on Ken. I should try them out on Ken also. And okay, so this is a little. Oh, this is a cute little like a little wallet. That's kind of neat. Will it close? There's a little hole there. This doesn't open. Can I close it up? Huh. Get in there. Ooh. All right, it's not closing on me. I wonder if there's a way I can get that to close. Seems kind of pointless to open if it does. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it closed. Okay, cool. I like that. And then this, oh, the perfume. So this is cool. So I didn't get any of these other than the sunglasses. I guess they give you a lot of those. These other accessories I did not get before. So they're all new. How nice is that? Does it stand up? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, here it is, the moment of truth. Please don't be a duplicate. I don't... Oh, it's not a duplicate and it's really pretty. Oh my goodness. Again, this is so cute. So it has a little 2 handles. It's got the chain handle. It's got the shorter handle so she could hold it like that. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. Now, okay, so we've got the tissue inside. Is there another magnet? I don't think this one has a magnet closure. No, it does. It does. Yeah, I think it does. I feel something in there. Right there, I feel... Is it... I think it has a magnet closure, but I don't know if it's too thick and it's not working. I feel like there's something right there inside of it. Yeah, I think it does have a it does have a magnet closure. Oh my goodness. How nice is that, or what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, dang it. I really like these. Oh. Okay, well, let me get some dollies out and I'll have to model for you. All right, so I have a 1/4 scale doll, an Elwyn Wild with this bag. And then we've got a little 1/6 scale Blythe doll with this little bag. And oh my gosh, how cute. You know, I think I'm kind of leaning towards being okay with this size bag, with this size doll. I think, again, they're more for the 1/6 scale, but with something like this, I think I could tuck this inside. In fact, let me do that real quick. So yeah, I just put that chain inside and closed it up. It definitely does have a magnetic closure because when I tried to put the chain in there, it stuck to the magnet. And I think it looks okay with her. I mean, I think she can get away with this. It's a smaller handbag. It's not a huge tote. But scale-wise, I am warming up to it. For her, it does look a little bit big. Like, for example, if I were to put this like this, it's kind of too big for her. Isn't that odd? But again, if I double it up, it's just about perfect for the little Blythe doll. Yeah. So cool looking. They're ready to go shopping, spend a day out, maybe do some lunch. Oh, I'm so happy I didn't get duplicates. Oh, I don't know. Am I going to get weak and order some more of these? I feel kind of like I'm gambling, like rolling the dice. Am I going to get duplicates if I get any more? How cute. So I did get these off of Amazon. They were 2 for something like $19.95 or something like that, and that included shipping. So yeah, I am super impressed with these. Let me know how you have done in the comments below. I know I'm not the only one getting these. If you've purchased these, have you had any duplicates? What's your favorite tote bag? If you haven't purchased them, are you just holding out? What's your problem? All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful dolly day. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye.